Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add your profile picture in your Soundcloud profile. Now let's begin. Do you know that I have already logged into my account and I have not added a profile picture to my Soundcloud profile? In this video, we're gonna focus on how to add a profile picture to our profile. Right here in the nav bar, next to the upload button, you're gonna see a profile icon along with this drop down button. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then something like this will open up right from there. From here, what we need to do is go to profile. It is the first button. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then this will open up. Well, right here, as you can see, this right here is my profile. And I want to add a profile picture. I'm simply gonna hover over my profile picture icon right here. And here's a button like this that says update image. I'm simply gonna click on it. Once you've clicked on the button, something like this will open up. From here, select any image of your choice. I'm gonna select this one right here. And once everything's okay, I'm gonna simply hit on open. Once you've selected the image, this will pop up. Right here, it's gonna ask you to edit your image. If you're satisfied, simply hit on save. And guys, that's it. That's how you add a profile picture in SoundCloud. It's as easy as that. Do note that if you do want to add a header image, you can simply click on this button right here that says upload header image. And guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.